Okay, YouTubers, I'm back. It's cooking with Kelly. Okay, let's see how our carrots and broccoli's doing. Alright. See, they're looking still nice and colorful. And see how the fork goes through the carrots and how they break. That means they're done. You don't want to overcook with steam. Steaming is the best way to cook vegetables because it retains all the vitamins and nutrients, but you don't want to over steam them. I know when my mom was alive, I had to kind of over steam them some because she had no teeth to make it easier for her to eat. Or, puree them. She used to love vegetables, so I'm trying to eat more. Because I remember when I was a vegetarian, when I was just trying to lose weight to go to the class reunion, and I was looking pretty good, and I was eating healthier. I just had to get back onto my exercising. So yeah, there you go. This is the perfect way to steam some vegetables. And I'm going to eat some a little later. And I usually like to add like a little of this Lawry's seasoned salt, and it has 25% less sodium. Give it a little taste, just a little bit. And something I like to add, you can add some salad dressing. With kids, you could probably add like a little cheese or Parmesan cheese. I think they like that. Best way to get your kids to eat vegetables, you kind of have to make them taste good. You have to say doctor them up. Okay, so I think this took about a total of, I'd say about 20 minutes, but I have to have it on, I think it was on number 4. Yeah, first I would turn the water on by itself until it really got steamy, a little bit high. Then add the vegetables in and then reduce it to number 4. Then I would just come back and keep checking on them periodically. I would like set the timer for about maybe 15 minutes, and then come and stir them up, and then we'll like stick the fork. And if the fork didn't go through, that means they still need to cook a little bit. Like I say, you don't want to over steam them neither, or else that'll take away a lot of the vitamins. Okay, until next time, we're cooking with Kelly. Take care, stay healthy, and always put God first. Good night, people.